Oh my, that one came out and demolished it, y'all. Oh yeah. That's a big little joker there. Oh yeah, somersault me, baby. I miss y'all. Have I told you how much? Come on, get in there. There we go. Oh yeah, you bent that one. That one's bent straight. Don't break it. I ain't got too much more of them. God, he's not even that big. But you're chunky. Y'all eating good around here. Ooh. Hang on, big boy. Hang on, big boy. Dang, you bent that all the heck. Dude, I want to weigh you. Because you can't be but like 15 inches. Hang on, y'all. Dude, he's only 15 inches. I want to see how much he weighs. I really do. Come on. You just don't want to get weighed. Come on, 0 up. There we go. Oh my goodness. 2.20. Oh my Lanta. I got you, bud. I'm gonna let you go right here. Oh my Lanta. There you go. I know. Can I have my finger back? I know you're mad at me. Look at that. Whoop. Alright. Oh well. Buddy. I'm scared to get a big one because I think he's gonna break my I'm scared he's gonna break my spinnerbait. That's the only thing I don't like about them. Cause look at that little fat one. Literally just bent it. Look at that. What am I supposed to do with that? There we go. All right.